Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Rani Rao. Today we are going to learn about science subject. The threads of the fiber. It is our new chapter. You must have observed that a single thread from the fabric can be further split into very thin hair-like strands. These hair-like strands are known as fibers. Fibers can be classified into natural and synthetic fibers on the basis of their sources. First upon, we are taking information about the natural fiber. Some fibers are obtained from natural sources, that is, from plants and animals. Fibers from such sources are called natural fibers. Biodegradable and it do not causes environmental pollution. Some example of these natural fibers are cotton, jute, flax, coir. It's obtained from the plants. Wool and silk are obtained from the animal sources. One of the natural fiber is cotton fiber. It's a natural. It's obtained from the cotton plant. Its need condition for growth, warm and climate. Its need black soil and moderate rainfall. Uses of the cotton is making clothes, bed sheets, towels, stuffing in pillows and cushions as a bandage material and in hospitals, etc. Some characteristics of cotton fibers are it's a soft, light and sweat absorbing, not a very durable, wrinkle easily. The fruits of cotton plants called cotton balls are small and about the size of the lemon. When these cotton balls ripe, they burst open and the white cotton fibers with seeds can be seen inside the ball. These cotton balls are plucked manually or by machines to obtain the fiber layers. Ginning process. The cotton balls collected from the field contain seeds along with the cotton fibers. These seeds are separated from the fibers by the process called ginning. Ginning can be done either manually using a specific comb or by machines called cotton gins. Process of spinning. The cotton fiber obtained after ginning are converted into yarn. The process of conversion of fibers to yarn is called spinning. There are number of ways by which spinning can be done. A simple hand operated instrument used for this is a takli. Another instrument used for spinning is charkha. Generally, machines are used this day for spinning on large scale. Weaving and knitting process. Yarn made from fiber are converted into the final fabric by process of winning or knitting. In weaving, two sets of yarn are arranged into various patterns to make the fabric. The sets of yarn are crossed under the above each other. The entire process is performed either by hand or using machines called loom. Hand operated looms are called hand looms, whereas the electricity operated looms are called power loom. In knitting, a single yarn is used to make the fabric. This can also be done either manually by using the knitting needle or by machines. Loops of the yarn are made in the needles and passes through each other. Depending on the pattern of the loops, the style of the final fabric is designed. Next natural fiber is jute. Jute it is the natural fiber. It's come from the jute plant. Its need warm and humid climate need for the growth. Uses of the jute are making ropes, gunny bags, carpets, etc. It is rough, shiny, sturdy and durable. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. The jute crop are harvested when they are about 3-4 months old, and the flowering stage. After harvesting, the bundle of stems are left for drying in the sun. The leaves get dried and are then removed easily. Rating process. After removing the leaves, the stem of the jute plant are soaked in water for about a week. This process is called rating. This loosen the fiber and then they can be separated manually. Washing and drying method. The separated fibers are then washed in clean running water. They are then hang on bamboo railings for drying for 2-3 days. Flax fiber. It is the natural fiber that obtained from the flax plant. It needs cold and humid climate for the growth. Uses of flax is making clothes, bed and bath fabric, paper and fishing net. Characteristic of the flax fiber is it is a very strong, durable and sweat absorbing. Coir fiber. It is one of the natural fiber that is obtained from coconut tree. Its need condition for the growth, sandy soil, humid climate and mostly near seashores. Uses of coir fibers are making robes, carpets, mattresses, brushes, floor mats, door mats, padding, etc. It's very rough and sturdy. Another plant's fiber that is used to make ropes and carpet is coir. Coir is obtained from the husk of the coconut. It is present in the outer coat of the coconuts. Wool. It is a natural source that obtained from animals like sheep, yak, rabbit and camels. From these animals we get this wool fiber. Uses of wool fibers are to make clothes for the cold weather. Characteristic of the wool it is heat insulating and durable. Wool is obtained from the fleece of the certain animals like sheep or goat or from the hair of the some other animals such as yak, rabbit and camel. Silk. It is the natural fibers come from cocoons of the silkworm. Uses of silk fibers are saris, making saris, kurtas, bed sheets, etc. Characteristics of the silk fibers are shiny and lightweight. Silk is an expensive fabric because of its high cost of productions. Due to its soft and shiny appearance, people like to wear silk clothes on special occasions. Silk is obtained from the cocoons of the silkworm. The cultivation of silkworm for the production of silk is called sericulture. These silkworms are fed mulberries leaves for a few days. Then they secrete a liquid through the gland in their head that from the cocoons. The cocoons are transported to the factories when they are processed to obtain the silk fabric. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for the more updates. Thank you.